In French, how do you say to end up doing something? You say finir par. I think this will make a bit more sense if I just give you a few examples. Après des heures de discussion, ils ont fini par se mettre d'accord. J'ai longtemps hésité, mais j'ai fini par accepter l'offre. So as you can see, it is finir par and then the infinitive of the action or verb that you end up doing. Elle a tout essayé pour réparer son ordinateur, mais elle a fini par le jeter. J'ai tellement insisté qu'il a fini par dire oui. This one has an interesting word I want to teach. Après des mois de stress, elle a fini par craquer. What do you think craquer means after quelques mois de stress? What do you think it means? It means to break down emotionally to a point that you can't handle it. It's like reaching your breaking point. Craquer. Of course, craquer also has a bunch of other meanings, but this is one of them. So